अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने दावा किया है कि ईरान डील चाहता है, मुज़ाकरात जारी हैं, कोई नतीजा ज़रूर निकलेगा। मियामी में तकरीब से खिताब में कहा कि ईरान के पास एटम बम होता तो वो इसराइल के खिलाफ इस्तेमाल कर सकता था। ईरान अब कभी बहरी जंगी जहाज़ नहीं बना सकेगा, 2 हफ्ते में ईरान में अहदाफ हासिल कर लेंगे।
Currently, as we speak, I just looked. We had another big day. We hit them. They don't know what's happening. Remember this? They lied about 3 days ago. I said, yeah, we're negotiating with Israel. We are not negotiating. They're being hit so hard. Anybody would be negotiating. They are negotiating. They're begging to make a deal. They're begging to make a deal. Turned out I was right. They were negotiating, which they admitted 2 days later. We're negotiating now, and it'd be great if we could do something, but they have to open it up. They have to open up the Strait of Hormuz. But I think a tremendous mistake was when NATO just wasn't there. They just weren't there. It's going to make a lot of money for the United States because we spend hundreds of billions of dollars a year on NATO, hundreds of protecting them. And we would have always been there for them. But now, based on their actions, I guess we don't, do we?